I forgot recording. Okay. Yeah. See, all father side relations are preceded by a word paternal, and all mother side relations are maternal. Okay. Not only parent side, we can use the word paternal, maternal to children side also. See, all means how can we say mother side relations and father side relations. Yeah, sons children are paternal children, daughters children are maternal children. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think up to this point we have completed. Could not hear anything. Okay, when my mic is on, not enabled. Try to rejoin. Bhargav, try to rejoin. Yeah, in the last I mentioned one point. What is the point? Any type of question in blood relations can be solved with the 3 shortcut symbols. What are the 3 shortcut symbols? First of all, what are the universal relations? One is parental relation, sibling relation, and spouse relation. Okay. Yes. Parental relation will give the relation between parent and child. It will give the relation between parent and child. So to represent 2 persons, to join 2 persons in different generations, we need a vertical line. Okay. Parental relation is represented by a vertical line. On the top, it is always parent, and on the bottom, it is always child. Next, sibling relation is represented by a horizontal line. So one side, if it is a brother, other side, it can be sister or brother also. So they may be of same gender or different gender. Even in case of parental relation also, they may be of same gender or different gender. Okay. But when it comes to spouse relation, so this will give the relation between wife and husband. So the symbol for this is a horizontal line with both side arrow, or we can use equal to also. So one side if it is husband, other side it should be wife. Tell me, here same gender is allowed or not allowed in case of spouse? All of you, are you there?
Sir, can you repeat?
In case of parental relation, in case of parental relation, same gender or different gender or both are allowed?
So both are allowed, right?
Yeah, they may be of same gender or different gender. Okay. In case of sibling relation,
so both genders are allowed.
Both.
They may be of same gender or different gender. In case of spouse relation,
so
both genders are allowed.
No, same gender is not allowed.
Sir,
So
for
that's what. Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay,
Sir,
same gender is not allowed. See,
same
here
gender
if
is
it
not
is,
allowed. They have to be different genders.
yeah, if it is father,
2 different
the
genders.
child can be son or daughter. Yes or no? Father and son, same gender. Father and daughter, different gender. When it comes to sibling relation, brother and brother, same gender. Brother and sister, different gender. But coming to spouse relation, compulsory they should be different gender. Okay. Means suppose there is a statement like A is the father of B. A is the father of B. Tell me, what is the gender of A? A is a male or female?
Or male.
Male. B?
Male.
So B can be anything.
Can be any.
B can
Can't
be
say,
male, female or male.
yeah, simply we can say can't say. A is a male,
So
but
gender
B can't say.
gendered undeclared.
Yes.
B
Gender
might be.
Yeah, B can
B
be.
can be anything. Father,
Male.
I mean, son or daughter, anything.
Yeah, it can be male or female. So that's why gender of B can't say. Next, if A is the sister of B. Now tell me, what is the gender of A?
Female.
Female.
Male. But B?
Don't.
Gender
Real father
undeclared.
of-
Can't say.
Gender undeclared.
Yes or no?
You cannot
Can't
say
say.
anything.
Next, A is the husband of B. Now tell me, what is the gender of A?
Male,
Male. What is the gender of B?
female.
Female.
Yeah, don't say, can't say. Okay. So here it is. It should be a female. So if you know one person's gender, it is possible to declare another person's gender in only spouse relation. It is not possible in other relations. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you know one person's gender, we can declare other person's gender also in case of spouse relation. So these are the basic things required to solve the questions. Let us move on to questions. Yeah, first model, person-based problems. See the question once and try to give the answer. Pointing to a photograph of Abhi. Okay. Tell me, Abhi is a male or female as of now?
Male.
Sir,
I think
undetermined.
male.
Male.
Can't
Sir,
say.
ideally it should be gender undeclared, but
Currently
then we can guess the gender.
One second. See here. I read the statement up to this point, pointing to the photograph of
Yeah.
Abhi. Up to this point,
now
what is the
it's
gender of
undeclared.
Abhi?
Undeclared, undetermined.
Undeclared. Okay.
Undeclared.
Mrs. Jyoti said,
Sir, but we
tell
can
me,
kind
Jyoti is a
of
male or
guess the-
female?
Sir, we can guess the gender, right?
Mr. Jyoti is female.
Mrs.
Jyoti is a female. Now tell me, after reading the next statement, tell me, Abhi is a male or female?
Abhi is the
Male.
Abhi undeclared yet.
How undeclared at?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Like till Mrs. Jyoti,
So
right?
male.
Sir is saying he is the son of
No,
the.
no, sir. Sir, Abhi is male.
Yeah. So not, that son is not required.
Male,
See this word. This is enough.
Yeah, so he.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, up till now meaning like it should be till Mrs. Jyoti said, right?
No. I said after Jyoti said, reading the next statement, tell me the gender of Abhi.
Okay, sir. Then it's male. Yeah.
Yeah, based on this word, he, pointing to Abhi, she is telling he. He means Abhi is a male. Okay. Yeah, he is the son of, the only son of, the father of, the brother of my sister's sister. How is Abhi related to Jyoti? Try to get the answer for this question. Anyone? Tell the answers. Tell all your answers. Yes, answer.
Sir, it's given the only son of father of the brother. No, sir, of who? Whose brother?
Read the complete question.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Brother's grandson. Okay. Let us see. Grandnephew. Oh, son. Okay. Tell the answers. Only 2 responses. You can say your answer directly also.
Maybe it's nephew.
Sir, nephew, sir.
Nephew. Okay.
Sir, grandnephew.
Grandnephew. Okay. As of now, 3 options. A, B, C. Any more options? Okay, let us see. Okay. Generally, how to solve this type of questions. See. Generally, the points, person-based problems are based on 2 types of words. One is of, the other is apostrophes. Okay. What is the difference? See here. See, there is a statement like A is the father
I'm
of.
thinking it shall be nephew.
Okay, let us see. Let us see. Let me complete the explanation. A is the father of B. Anybody, can anybody tell the same statement without this word of, without changing its meaning? Anyone? Tell the same statement.
B is the father. B is the son of A.
Son of A.
B is the son of A.
How can you declare B is the son?
Sorry, I mean B is the child of A.
Again, you are using that word of without using of.
Sir, A is
His father is
A's
B.
child is B. A's
Sorry?
child
His
is
father. No, sir.
A's child
Okay.
is B.
B's father is
Sir, B's father is A. B's father is
Exactly.
A.
Very
A's
good.
child is B or B's father is A.
Yeah, B's father is A. So A's child is B means then you are missing this one. You are not confirming this one. Yes or no? Now it is perfect.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, B's father is A. B's father is A. So by removing this word of, you got, what is the new thing here? After removing this of, what did you get here?
B's father is A. We got that.
Apostrophe S, right? If
Yes.
you remove off, it
Yes,
will be
sir.
apostrophe S. So between
Yes,
these
sir.
two, 1 and 2, which is comfortable for you? 1 or 2?
Sir, two.
Sir, 2
Two,
is more
sir.
comfortable.
2 is comfortable. B's father is A. This is direct statement, but it is we need to take some in the reverse manner, right?
Yes, sir.
So the question, if the question is based on off, we have to think it in the reverse direction. If the question is based on apostrophe S, we can solve it in the forward direction. This is one thing. Okay, while solving this type of questions. Okay, second point is, while solving this type of questions, we have to cut the total sentence up to is. So here the word is acts like is equal to. What is the nature of is equal to? Whatever may be on the left hand side, it should be equal
It
to
will be equal to right hand side.
right hand side. Means here left hand side and right hand side, we are telling about the same person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Left hand side and right hand side, our
Or we
discussion
can
is
also
about
say B's father is equal.
our
equal
yes,
to
our discussion is about same person. Okay, so this is the second thing. So first thing is it based on op or apostrophe S? So here there are many offs. Here there is an off, we have to proceed in the reverse direction. Here there is an off, we have to proceed in the reverse direction. Here also there is an off, reverse direction. Here also there is an off, reverse direction. But here there is an apostrophe S, we can proceed in the forward direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the
Yes, sir.
first thing. And second thing is total sentence we have to cut up to is. So here for this word is LHS and RHS we have to simplify individually. Okay, that is the second point. And third point is there will be no clarity whenever there is there are some pronouns. This type of pronouns, he, my, she, the type of pronouns are there. We don't know who is that person. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now replace those pronouns by their names. Here, who is he? In the given question, who is he? He means
The boy.
Male.
Abhi.
that Abhi. Yes, Abhi. And here, who is my? Who is the speaker?
Jyoti.
Jyoti is the speaker. Okay. So this is the third thing to do. First thing is of or apostrophe S. Second thing is cut the sentence up to is. And the third thing is replace pronouns by their names. Okay. And LHS and RHS we have to simplify individually. There is nothing to do on LHS. Yes or no? Abhi is. It is already ready. On the right hand side we have to simplify. Okay. So now we will proceed. See here. Tell me, we will start from Jyoti. Jyoti is a sister's sister. How is that person related to Jyoti? Jyoti's sister's sister. How is that
It's a
person
sister
related
only,
to
right?
Jyoti?
It's a sister.
Yeah, it can be either Jyoti's sister or herself also,
Yes, sir.
because Jyoti is also female, right? So it can be Jyoti
Yes,
also. So there are two possibilities, either Jyoti's sister or Jyoti. Next, brother of Jyoti's sister. How is that person related to Jyoti?
Jyoti's brother.
Yeah, can I
Jyoti.
replace this complete
Yes.
statement by Jyoti's brother?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is no statement. There is no statement beyond this father of. There is only one statement beyond this father of Jyoti's brother. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, Jyoti's brother's father. How is that person related to Jyoti?
Jyoti's father.
Yes.
Sir, Jyoti's father.
Yeah, father of Jyoti's brother is same as Jyoti's father also. So Jyoti's father. Next, only son of Jyoti's father. How is that person related to Jyoti?
Brother.
Jyoti's brother.
Okay. Yeah, brother.
Because
Brother, sir.
Jyoti is a
Maybe
female.
nephew, sir.
No, only son of Jyoti's father, not Jyoti's brother. Okay, Jyoti's father.
Sir, brother, sir.
Yeah, Jyoti's
He's
brother.
Jyoti's brother.
Because Jyoti is a female, it cannot be herself. So that's why only possibility
Sir,
is
answer is
brother.
sir, answer is nephew.
Yes, sir. I mean, answer is nephew, sir.
Okay. So son of Jyoti's brother. How is the Jyoti's son related? Sorry, brother son related to Jyoti.
Nephew.
So Jyoti's nephew.
Nephew.
So now
So
read
like
the
this
statement.
kind of questions,
Now
they
read the
take
statement.
time.
Abhi is Jyoti's nephew. Yes or no? Nihar, tell me.
No, sir, I was just telling that these kind of questions take a lot of time.
No, they will not take time. Just I'm explaining for the first time to you. That's why it is taking time. Okay. So simply by seeing the question only, we can tell the answer. No need to do all this procedure and all.
Sir, there's a shortcut for this.
Yeah, this is the short way only.
Oh, okay.
When I
Yes, sir.
am explaining point by point and line by line and thing by thing, it is getting longer. That's all. So no, is there any need of writing all these things?
No, sir.
See, I will explain the same question in another way. See here.
Sir, so basically what we have to do is we have to start from the end.
We have to start from that speaker.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
it depends
sir.
on off or apostrophe S.
No,
So,
sir, after that we are done, we have to start from the end of the statement, right?
not end of the statement, start from the speaker. So here's Jyoti is the speaker. We have started from Jyoti.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, when I ask you a question, which is compatible between 1 and 2, you said 2, right?
Yes, sir, 2 is more.
Yeah, sir.
So then we can convert the total question into 2. Total question like 2 only. See,
Yes, sir, we can, sir.
I'm converting. See, Abhi is or he is. Okay, he is. Start from Jyoti. Jyoti's sisters. Then brothers. Tell me in the reverse direction.
Brothers,
Fathers.
fathers, son.
Only sons. Only sons. Son.
Son.
Son, yeah.
Yes or no? He is Jyoti's. He means here Abhi. Abhi is Jyoti's sisters, brothers, fathers, only sons, son. So here we can proceed in the forward direction only, because all are apostrophes. We can proceed in forward direction only. Tell me, Jyoti's sister,
Jyoti's sister.
or Jyoti only. So Jyoti's sister's brother.
Jyoti's brother.
Jyoti's brother. Jyoti's brother's father.
Jyoti's father.
Jyoti's father.
Jyoti's father. Jyoti's father's only son.
Jyoti's brother.
Jyoti's
Jyoti's
brother.
brother. And Jyoti's brother's son is Jyoti's
Jyoti's nephew.
nephew. If we read the statement finally, It will be Abhi is Jyoti's nephew. Yes or no? So even here also, you don't need to write all these things. Directly we can keep it in the mind and we can go to the next statement. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us do some questions based on this person based problems. Yeah. Tell the answer for this. Suket has 3 daughters and each daughter has a brother. Each daughter has a brother. How many male members are there in the family? Actually, there is some small mistake here. Here, consider this one, Mr. Okay, Mr. Suket has
There might be one member.
only one. Was that one
Sir,
person?
I'm
No,
getting
sir.
seven.
I think,
Sir, I'm
sir, I
getting
think
7.
3.
Sir, 2.
Okay, there is one more
Sir,
option.
3.
Yeah, let me give you.
Sir, I think it's 7. Sir, I am getting it as 7.
Oh, 7. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That is
Sir,
a
3.
3. Okay.
Oh, no, sir. Sorry, sir. I took it wrong, sir.
Hmm. Okay, see. Mr. Suket means Suket is a male member or not?
Yeah, I'm getting 2. No.
Yeah,
1
sir. 2.
plus 3 daughters are there and each daughter has a brother. So 3 daughters and each daughter 1 brother. 3 ones are 3, right?
3.
So 1 plus 3
Sir,
is 4.
isn't it like okay, sir, I got it.
Sir, it is like every daughter has a
Sir, I
brother.
did.
Is it correct?
Sir, has a
Sir,
brother.
I think that everybody has the same brother only.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
Sir, I
Okay,
think
so
everybody
this-
has the
The
same brother.
second option.
So
Sir.
here we have involved maths, so that's why it is happening. Okay, this is a wrong answer. This is a wrong approach.
Everybody, yes, sir, every
Ah,
sister will have the
yes,
same
sir.
brother only.
Overall, for all the 3 daughters, 1 brother is enough. 1 brother is sufficient.
Yes, sir.
For every daughter, he will be the brother. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Like
So
minimum,
Mr.
right?
Suket, Mr. Suket is one male person, and his son is another male person. That's all. Only 2 male members are there in the family. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
there
but
are
I
in
two
did
this
not-
case, yeah,
There are 2
they
daughters,
didn't
and each daughter
ask
is having 3
minimum
brothers.
option,
Means
right?
2 3s are 6. Total 6 males. Correct?
No, sir, I mean, like, sir, they didn't ask minimum and maximum, right? So how do we know?
No. Here I'm not telling minimum and maximum. See, just listen to this and tell the answer. There are 2 daughters, and each daughter is having 3 brothers. So total number of brothers are 6.
No, sir, it
No,
can be
sir.
3 also.
No, it can. It is
3
not
only.
can be. It should be. It is compulsory 3 only. It is not 6. 6 is a wrong answer.
No, sir. What if like they're
Okay.
trying to tell
Yeah.
that there are total 9 brothers and then
If there
then
is a
that
total of 6 members, then each daughter is having 6 brothers, right?
So 2. It can be 1 brother also, no, sir. Like each daughter will be having 1 brother, no, sir. I didn't understand.
Here the question is over, but I am asking it's a separate question. Okay. This is not related to this question. I'm asking separately. Suppose, okay, let me ask you here. In a family, there are 2 daughters. In a family, there are 2 daughters. This is not related to this question. Okay. 2 daughters, and each daughter, there are 3 brothers. So now total number of not only male, total persons are how many total persons are there in that family?
So
Sir,
7
5.
with the parents. So 7 with the parents, sir.
Uh,
So with the siblings, 5, sir. With the
No, no, no.
parents, 7, sir.
no, with the information, with the given information is enough. No need to use any extra information. You can use a given
So
So 5
information.
is,
5.
sir.
Yeah, total
5 is
5
5,
or
sir.
3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 5 or 8?
No, sir. 5 only.
Yeah, 5 only.
5, sir.
So there are 2 daughters and each daughter is having 3 brothers, means 2 3s are 6. Total number of brothers are 6. If you say in this way, then this will be the wrong one. So the same 3 brothers are 3 brothers for all the 2 daughters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
totally 2 daughters and 3 sons. So totally 2 plus 3 is 5 in the given information it is. Okay. Do one more question in the same way. Answer this. A party consisted of a man, his wife, his 3 sons and their wives, 3 children in each son's family, 3 children in each son's family. How many were there in the party? Total, how many are there in the party? Yes, answer.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Calculating.
Okay, okay. Carry on.
So 17.
Totally 17. Okay, let us verify. Yeah, I'm checking. See, man,
Same, sir. 17 for me.
man, his wife. Okay, man, his wife, and they have
sons.
3 sons, and each son is having 1 wife, right? So totally 3
Yes, sir.
wives.
3 wives.
3 wives and 3 children in each son's family. So here, can I do 3 into 3 or not?
3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it is
We can
not.
do.
Yeah,
The
it is
answer
not
is
similar to the
17.
previous case, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is different. So each son is having a separate family. That's why 3 3s. So that's all. These are the number of persons in that family. So 3 3s are 9
Yes, sir.
plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Yes, correct answer. 17.
17.
Okay. Then similar question. One more question. Answer this. In a joint family, there are father, mother, 3 married sons, and one unmarried daughter. Of these sons, 2 have 2 daughters each. One has a son. How many female members are there in the family? Only female members is asking for. Answer.
Sir, 9.
So 9.
9. Okay, let me verify. So is it required for our question?
Yes, sir. It's 9, sir.
Okay. Is it required for
Yes,
our
sir.
question?
9 only.
Father, not required. Mother,
Father, not required.
yes, 1
Mother
plus.
required.
Yeah, 3 married sons, required or not required?
Sir, required.
Required, sir.
Required,
Because they'll have
sir.
3
Their
married
wives.
wives. They'll have wives.
Yeah, 3 married sons are not required, but married information it is giving. They have wives. So 3 sons means 3 wives will be there.
Yes, sir.
Then 1 unmarried daughter. Daughter means a female. That's why 1. Next, of the
Plus.
sons, 2 have 2 daughters. So 2 sons are having 2 daughters
2
each.
daughters.
2s are right.
2 into 2.
And 1 son is
4.
having a son. 1 son has a son. So no need of this
So
person.
no need.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
This is the information, required information. So 2 2s are 4
5 plus 4.
plus 4. Sorry, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes, correct answer.
9.
9. Yeah. So let us change the pattern. Data based question, sorry, person based question. Answer this. Pointing to a girl, Abhishek said, "She is the daughter of only child of my father." How is Abhishek's wife related to that girl? Not Abhishek. Abhishek's girl, wife related to that girl.
So father?
Father,
Sir, it's
I
daughter.
mean,
sir.
so
Sorry.
father-in-law?
Abhishek's wife is like,
father-in-law
Sir, it's
is not there in
daughter.
the
I mean,
options.
Mother.
so I meant mother-in-law, mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law is
Mother-in-law.
also
No,
not
sir,
there
it's
in the
mother,
options.
sir.
Okay.
Option B.
Okay, let us verify. See, here who is she? She means,
Sir, mother.
Well,
here who is she? She means,
Abhishek's
girl.
wife, sir.
Sir,
no,
sir, mother.
no, sir, the
Girl.
girl. The girl.
So the girl
Abhishek.
he's point, he's
He means the
okay,
girl.
girl. So here who is my
Abhishek.
Abhishek? So
Abhishek,
Abhishek is
sir.
a male or female?
Abhishek
Male,
is
sir.
male.
Abhishek is a male using this statement, okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Not using name, okay? Using this
Sir, I
statement.
thought it was only.
Okay, let us move backward. Tell me, only child of Abhishek's father is?
Abhishek.
Only
Abhishek.
child of Abhishek's father is? Abhishek only.
Abhishek.
sister.
No, Abhishek only.
Yes, sir. It's Abhishek only, right?
See, only sister,
Only child.
only brother,
daughter.
only brother, only, sorry, not only sister. Here, only son is different. Only daughter is different. Only child is different. Okay, tell me, only son can have sisters or not?
No, sir.
Only
No,
son can
sir.
have brothers?
Sir, it can.
No, sir.
What is meant by only son?
Sir, but only single person for the parents.
No. Only son
Only son
can
meaning like
have
only
can
there's
have
only one
sisters.
male.
Okay.
Child.
Only son can have
Yes, sir.
sisters, sir. But
Yes, sir.
no
Yes, sir.
brothers.
Only child cannot.
Yes, sir.
Only son can
Okay,
have
sir.
sisters, but no brothers. Similarly,
Only
only
male
daughter
child.
can have
Brothers but not
Son.
sisters.
Brothers,
brothers.
but not
Brothers.
sisters.
no sisters. But no sisters. But what about only child?
They can
They
have no
don't have
siblings.
brother
No
and
siblings.
sister.
Yeah, only child
No siblings.
has no brothers,
Siblings.
Sibling
sisters.
or
No
sister.
siblings will be there. So see, the only child of Abhi's father is Abhi only, because Abhi has no
Abhishek only.
sisters and no brothers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the girl is daughter of Abhi. If you replace
Yes,
this
sir.
complete part by Abhi, the girl is daughter of Abhi.
Yes,
Then
sir.
Abhi will be the father of girl, right?
Yes, sir. Same
If
way
Abhi is the
mother
father,
will be
Abhishek's
Abhishek.
wife will be
Mother.
mother. So,
Mother.
yeah, Abhishek's wife is the mother of that girl. Got it? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. Introducing Sarita, Meena said, "She is the only daughter of my father's only daughter." So how is Meena related to Sarita? Actually, this is Miss Meena. Okay. Answer. Start from my. Start solving from my.
So my is Meena only, right?
My is Meena only. So take this.
So she can.
Without this, there is no. There will be possibilities. Okay. So
Sir,
take
none
this
of
one.
these, sir. None of
Yes.
these.
Miss Meena.
Sir, none of these.
None of these. What is your actual answer?
Sir, Meena is related. Sir. Meena is mother.
Mother is not there in the options. Okay, let me verify. I'm starting from my here. Who is she? She means
Meena.
She means
Oh.
Sarita.
Sarita.
introducing Sarita. Okay, so she means Sarita.
Oh.
Sarita.
Sir, Meena is the mother. Sir, Meena is the mother of Sarita.
Okay, let me
Yeah,
verify. Let me
sure.
verify. Okay, she means Sarita. Who is my? My means
Sir,
Meena.
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 Yeah, tell me. Meena's father's only daughter is.
Meena.
Yeah, can I replace this complete
Yes, sir.
statement by
Yes, sir,
Meena?
Meena. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Meena.
sir.
Okay, then Sarita is the only daughter of Meena.
Sarita is daughter of
Yes, sir.
Meena, so Meena is mother.
Sarita is the only daughter of Meena. So means
Yes,
overall
sir.
Sarita is the
Meena,
daughter
no.
of Meena. But the question is, how is Meena related to Sarita? Mother. So
Meena
there
is
is
the
no
mother of
option.
Sarita.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
None of
there is
these.
no option like mother. That's why none of this. Okay. And we'll do this question and we'll change the model. Answer this. Pointing to a photograph of a man. Sorry. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brothers or sisters, but that man's father is my father's only son. Sorry. That man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph was that?
Sir, his own, sir.
His own or
Sir,
his
his
son
own.
or his father or
Yes,
his
sir.
nephew?
His own.
His
Sir,
own.
his
Sir, his
own.
own.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me verify. Let me verify. And that man is
100%.
having no brothers and sisters. Okay, that man is having no brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
And
But that
that
man-
man, who is that man? Man in the photograph, right?
Yes, sir. Man's father is my
Yes,
father's
sir.
own.
My-
So it's Kathy's daughter.
My means speaker.
Man.
Man.
Yeah, man only, but there is also man and here is also man. That's why I'm telling it is speaker. Speaker man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Man to a man. Okay.
Okay, speaker's father's son. So as the speaker has no brothers and no sisters, that's why speaker's father's son should be speaker
Speaker
only.
himself.
Okay, so we can replace this complete part by speaker.
Speak.
Next, that man's father is speaker. That's man's father is speaker. Okay, that
Yes.
man's father is speaker. Okay,
Sir,
the
1
question is
minute.
whose photograph is that? So who is this man now? How is this man related to speaker? Tell me.
His son.
Yeah, son. So he is showing his son's photograph, not his own. His son's photograph it is.
Okay, but that man's father is my father. Okay, yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, that man's father is speaker. That man's father is speaker means speaker is the father of that man. Okay, so that speaker is showing the photograph of his son. Got it? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we change the model or we'll do one or two?
Sorry, sir.
Shall we change the model?
No, sir. Let's continue, sir. Let's complete it.
Okay. Tell the answer for this. Pointing to a boy, Meena says. He is the only son of my grandfather's only son.
Sir, data inadequate.
Sir,
Why is it
sister.
data inadequate, Sujay? Tell me.
Sir, because it's a boy and none of the options are boy.
Sorry.
But
See
it's
the question.
written the boy's
See.
mother, right?
He is asking for the relation of boy's
Oh,
mother,
boy's mother. Okay,
not boy.
sorry. So I didn't see the boy's mother part. Okay.
How is
No,
that
so,
boy
then
so
it
what
would
does
be mother.
related?
Then it would be
So what
mother.
does related mean?
The answer is mother, sir.
not related
Sir,
actually?
mother.
Is it typing mistake? This is related.
Related.
Sir,
Related.
it's mother. Then.
Sir, it's mother.
Sir, that boy is the brother of that brother of Meena.
Okay, he is son of my
Answer is mother.
grandfather's only son. Okay. Let me explain this question. All of you listen to me carefully. Here, who is he? Pointing to that boy, right? Here, who is my?
Boy.
Who is the
Boy.
speaker?
My
It's
is
just
Meena,
Meena.
sir.
Meena.
Meena's grand.
So cut the sentence up to is. Here there is an off. We have to proceed in the reverse direction, but there is an apostrophe which we can
Meena's
proceed
son.
in the forward. Okay. Now tell
Meena's
me.
son, grandfather.
No. See, Meena's grandfather's only son. How is that person related to Meena?
Sir, father.
Father, definite. Confirm. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, father.
No. Sir, I think brother,
No, we
sir.
can't-
Grandfather's only son.
So leave this part.
Grandfather's only son
Leave
is
this
father,
part.
right?
Leave this part. We'll see it later. Tell me the
But
relation
Sir,
of
grand-
this.
sir,
Sir,
grandfather-
father.
So
Meena's
brother?
father. Meena's father, sir.
Brother, sir.
No.
Sir,
Meena's
grandfather.
grandfather's
Father.
only son, not father's son. Grandfather's only
Yes, sir.
son.
Father's
Then it'll be
father, sir, then.
No,
Father.
all of you, listen to me. It can be father, but not definitely father. It can be father because he has not mentioned this grandfather is paternal or maternal.
Okay, yeah.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are also doing the same mistake. What we have discussed in the last class. Many people are taking directly grandfather means father's father only. If
Oh,
you
yeah,
see,
sir.
yeah, if you show that type of partiality, then examiner will show a partiality. In case of marks, okay. So Meena's paternal, if it is a paternal grandfather, as you said, it is father only. This is a possibility. Yes or no? What if it is a mother's grandfather, sorry, maternal grandfather, then maternal grandfather's only son is the
So uncle,
brother of
sir.
mother,
Sir, uncle.
mother's brother, right?
Yes, sir, uncle in that case.
Mother's brother, nothing but uncle, maternal uncle. Okay.
Sir, so this is data inadequate also.
Yes,
Let us,
sir. It should be data
let us-
inadequate only.
let us complete it and later we'll see the options. See, son of father is, son of Meena's father is Meena's brother, right?
Meena's brother, yes, sir.
Meena's brother, okay. Son of Meena's uncle is Meena's
Nephew.
cousin,
Nephew.
Meena's uncle's son,
Sir, cousin.
cousin. So these are the two possible answers. Meena's brother or Meena's cousin. So there are two answers, but the either or option is not there in the options. That's why answer is data inadequate.
Sir, it can be aunt also, right? As the answer. Aunt and
Sorry.
mother.
1 second. Here the question is, how is that boy's mother related to? Okay.
Boy's mother. So it can be aunt and mother both, I guess.
Meena's brother. That boy can be Meena's brother. Okay. So if it is Meena's brother, if you can confirm it is Meena's brother, then we can say it is a mother.
Yes, sir.
Boy's
And if
mother
you can
is the mother
confirm
of
it is-
Meena. Okay.
Sir, if it's Meena's cousin, then it's aunt.
So it's aunt. So there are
Yes,
two
sir.
possibilities,
Wha-
and the two possibilities are available in different options. First
Yes, sir.
option is
So
50% correct. Second option is 50% correct. But both
Data
are not
inadequate.
100% answers. That's why data inadequate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simply if he has mentioned that word, a single word, paternal or maternal, then answer can be confirmed. But that is not given. That's why we are getting two possible answers. Okay. So actually, it is a simple question, but somewhat tricky question. Okay. Yeah, one more question is there. Answer this. pointing to Kapil, Shilpa said, his mother's brother is the father of my son Ashish. Here, how many persons are there in total?
So Kapil, mother, brother, father, and Ashish.
No, there are 3 persons. As the name wise, I'm asking name wise.
So mother,
3 persons. Kapil, Shilpa, and
Kapil,
Ashish.
Shilpa,
Kapil,
Ashish.
Ashish.
Okay, Kapil, Shilpa, and Ashish.
Kapil, Shilpa, Ashish.
Tell the answer. How is Kapil related to Shilpa's husband?
So he is in
Shilpa's
the
husband,
sense
son,
Kapil's
son.
mother.
Pointing to
Sir,
Kapil. So his means Kapil. Okay.
His mother's
Kapil's
brother.
mother is the father of Shilpa's son Ashish. Yes, sir.
Kapil's
My will
mother.
become Shilpa, sir.
My will become Shilpa. Very good.
Shilpa. So Kapil's mother,
mother's-
which is not brother, his mother's brother.
Kapil's uncle is Shilpa's husband.
Yes, sir.
Father of my
Kapil's
son.
uncle
Sir,
is the
Kapil is
father.
nephew of Shilpa's husband.
Okay. Kapil's.
So Shilpa's husband,
Sir, sir,
uncle,
no need to
sir.
do all of these, right? Sir, there's no need to do all of these, right? We can directly click nephew because it is the only male option.
Yes, sir.
Actually, with the name we cannot confirm the gender, but here we can confirm Kapil gender
But-
because it is his.
Yeah, it's written his.
Okay, and because of this
Directly
Shilpa's
nephew.
husband, and Shilpa is a female, and because of this son, my son Ashish, that's why Ashish is a male. Okay, all the names, all the person's gender is declared. Okay, and here the question is, how is
So, anyway.
Kapil related to Shilpa? So Kapil, as the Kapil is a male, so there is only one male option. That's why answer is nephew.
Yes, sir, that's what I'm saying.
Very good,
Nephew, sir.
very good, Piyush. Suppose there is one more option like none of this. Now tell your answer.
So then you have to
So none of these.
calculate, but still we'll get nephew, right? Because
Still it's
mother's brother is
nephew.
uncle,
So,
and uncle's son is
Yes.
Kapil.
Yeah.
Uncle's son is Kapil.
Okay, let us complete the question. We will start from my.
So none of
See here, Shilpa's son Ashish's father of Shilpa's son is Shilpa's
Father of Shilpa's son.
Husband.
Shilpa's husband.
Shilpa's
Shilpa's
husband.
husband.
Okay, so can I replace this complete portion by Shilpa's husband?
Yes, sir. Shilpa's husband
yes, sir.
is
Okay,
Kapil's mother's brother. Kapil's uncle.
Shilpa's.
Kapil's. So
Kapil's uncle
mother's
is
brother in the
Shilpa's
sense uncle, sir. Kapil's
uncle
uncle,
is Shilpa's husband.
Shilpa
Yes,
husband.
sir.
Yeah, Kapil's
Kapil's uncle is Shilpa's husband.
Easy, sir.
husband. Sorry. Kapil's uncle, right? Kapil's
Uncle,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Uncle. Mother's brother.
is
Uncle.
Shilpa's.
Shilpa's husband.
He is asking for Kapil's uncle is Shilpa's husband. Okay. Then Kapil will be the nephew of this person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This person is the uncle of Kapil, means Kapil will be the nephew of this person. Because Kapil is a male, he will be the nephew. So even though none of these is there in the options also, answer is nephew only. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's asking how is Kapil related to Shilpa's husband?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Kapil
There is
related to
something-
Shilpa's husband only. See.
Yeah, but if the question is Kapil related to Shilpa also, the answer will be still nephew.
This person is the uncle of Kapil, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then
Oh,
Kapil
yeah,
will be the
yeah.
nephew of that person.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Got it, sir.
Okay, these are all person-based problems. Generally, you'll get this type of questions only in the exam, and then we'll see data-based questions. Okay, this is a data-based question.
Yes, sir.
See, for data-based questions, I suggest you to draw the diagram, family chart. So let me show the diagram for this data, and from the next question onwards, you can do. A is the sister of B. Sorry, A is B's sister. So this is A. A is a male or female? Female. And this is B. But can you say B's gender from this statement?
No.
No,
Not
we
sir.
cannot say because A is B's sister. So A is a female, okay, but B we cannot say. Next is C is B's mother. So B's mother is C. This is C, but C is a male or female?
Sir, female.
He is,
Female because mother.
female,
But
because
from this
mother.
statement also we cannot say B's gender. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And C, from the diagram, I can conclude one more thing. So C is B's mother means as well as C is the mother of A also because these two are siblings.
Yes, sir.
No need to show one more line from A. Okay. Next is D is C's father. So D is C's father. It is going up and up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
D is his mother. Okay. I am trying here
Then
again.
he is B's mother.
See, this is A is a female, B, and this is C. C is a female. Next statement is D is C's father. So now tell me D is a male or
Maternal
female?
grandfather.
He is a male or
maternal
female?
grandfather. Male, sir.
Male and is the father of C. Next statement. E is D's mother. So E is D's mother. One more generation. See, E is a male or female?
Female.
E is a female and is the mother of D. That's all. So the family chart is ready now. So from this family chart, you have to answer the given question.
Sir, grandmother.
Here the question is, how is A related to D? How is
I'm
A
sorry. Then
related
it will
to
be
D?
granddaughter. Sorry.
Yeah. Because A is a female, A is the granddaughter of D. Is it paternal granddaughter or maternal granddaughter? Paternal granddaughter or maternal granddaughter? All of
Sir,
you, are you there?
maternal.
Granddaughter only, right? A is related to D.
No, you forgot that thing. Not only parents side, we can use also children's side also we can use.
Sir,
Sons.
anything?
Daughter's children are maternal, son's children are paternal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, A is the
Sure.
maternal granddaughter.
Pater also.
Yeah, maternal granddaughter of D.
CC. Paternal, sir.
No, not paternal, maternal.
Sir, I have a class now.
Okay, you have class. Huh? E is the paternal grandmother of D. Okay, sorry, C. E is the paternal grandmother of
Yes, sir.
C. Okay, here the question is, how is A related to D? A is the granddaughter of D. That's all. Okay, so we'll do more questions
Yes,
based
sir.
on this type of information. Okay, in the next class we can complete the topic blood relations. Right? We have one more model. Coded
Yes, sir.
type also we can complete
Yes, sir.
after database.
Thank you.
Okay,
This
right?
Sunday,
Meet
can
in
we
the-
have a test on this?
Yeah, actually, it is better to plan a test. Not only on this, we have completed many topics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will decide it and I will message in the group. Okay. On what topic?
Yes, sir.
What topics
Thank you,
are
sir.
today and how many questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir.